You need to hear this if you're a mortgage broker looking to close more deals. At Australian Credit Solutions, we specialize in turning no's into yeses. We know how frustrating it can be when bad credit stands in the way of a loan approval. That's where we step in. We work closely with you to fix your client's credit issues, ensuring they become eligible for the loan they need. Take James from Victoria, for instance. His broker referred him to us, and after we repaired his credit file, he got his car loan approved. Talk about a happy ending. Once we've fixed the credit, we hand the client back to you, ready to proceed with their loan application. It's a win-win situation. So why wait? Partner with Australian Credit Solutions today. Reach out and let's unlock more approvals for your clients together. Because every yes counts.